Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to show you how to pack your hospital bags. Welcome.
There are many types of diaper bag depending with your preference. This is a guideline on how to do it. This is a 5-piece Chico diaper bag that we are going to be using for demonstration. It's spacious enough, so make sure you have some washcloths that you're going to use to bathe the baby. Washcloths are very soft and specifically made for baby skin. That is the size. Then you may require some ointment or some oil. In some facilities, you carry your own soap. Then remember to pack a towel, soft baby towel. So there are many types. This is a rectangular one, and this package is for boy, so that's why we have so many blue. 3 bibs. These are enough for the 3 days that you'll be in the hospital. Then ensure that you have some capes, warm ones or cotton, depending with the weather at that time. Then cotton vests, this and a t-shirt. So ensure all baby clothes are cotton, whether they are the vests or the t-shirts, the best for the baby skin. Then ensure you have some onesies or onesies. These are 2 of them or 3 of them. Some cotton trousers, very comfortable for the baby. Then remember, you will also have to have at least 3 pairs of socks and a receiving set. A receiving set, this is what you're going to hand over to the midwife. When the baby is born, this is what they're going to dress the baby with. By this time, you'll have washed them and they're clean. So this is what you're going to put as a priority. So there are many types. Like this one, you see it comes with even a cotton flannel and a fleece warmer. So it's very nice. It's called an 11-piece receiving set. This is the fleece one, a warmer. Then ensure that you have some flannels. Some people call them the wrappers. These are 3 pieces. As you can see, they're 100% cotton. They're very good for wrapping the baby immediately after dressing the baby before you put on the shawl. That is the size. Then you have a warmer. Now, depending with the weather, you will decide whether to use a warmer or a heavy baby shawl. But ensure you have both of them, as it's quite unpredictable. Then this is a warm shawl, as you can see. It's double-sided and comes with a hood. You can detach the hood from this side. We call it the Santa shawl. It's very fashionable, very warm. You can use it even with a baby carrier. Then you'll have to have baby diaper and wipes. Whichever brand you choose, always ensure you have one. And then to top it up, a portable marking torch. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel. Bye.